Hey friends, how are you? We are here to do another cash stuffing, and yeah, it's that time again. It is Friday when you're seeing this. Whoops, sorry Skelly. How are you? Happy Friday. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope you're gonna have a wonderful weekend. We're gonna get right down to it. The video should be pretty short as usual. Let's pull out this cash and let's see what we have for rollover. So let me know how you are. Let's see. I don't even know what to say. There's nothing new or exciting going on around here. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, a decent amount of change here. Let me throw it in my change jar. Have you guys ever heard of the hot chip challenge? You probably have, right? I just asked my coworkers because my husband just came down here and said, so you know that hot chip challenge? And I'm like, the what? He's like, oh my God, you don't know anything. Like, I really don't. I guess I live under a rock. I don't know how I don't know it. I don't know. I watch TV. I don't watch the news. Not that that would be on the news. I don't spend a lot of time on Facebook or whatever, so I don't know. But let me know below. Have you heard of the hot chip challenge? Okay. So let's see. This is the Bright Undated Budget Planner. Spiral bound version is not available anymore, but you can get the regular version on Amazon. It is linked below if you're interested, along with my other budget planners, other savings challenge books. And we're flipping over to February. Wow, wow, wow. It's crazy. Let's see. As usual, we're doing $150 for the wallet, so wait, okay. The hot chip challenge got me all disorganized now. I need to check my rollover. All right, let's see what we got going on here for rollover. This is gonna go just to the side towards savings challenges. So we have 20, 40, 5, 50, 5, 56, 57, 58. Did I? 20, 40, 5, 55. Yeah, $58. Okay. And let's see, I don't have enough change for a 20, so I'm gonna have to see what I can do in my binders. Okay. Wow, I just feel, I don't know, like all out of breath and confused now because my husband threw me off. Okay, so I got, I believe, 260 out of the ATM, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, ooh, 60. So 80 right off the bat is going to go to my mom, and sorry mom, you're getting this one. 20, 40, 60, 80. I pay my mom $80 every month towards the money that I owe her. If you've been here for a while, you know that she let me borrow money. And so I owe her a lot of money, and no, $80 is not a big payment, but that is what I can afford right now. So that's what I do, and she's okay with that. So I need to mark it because you guys know my memory. So $80 for my mom. So I'm just gonna set that to the side here. Mr. Skeleton is gonna babysit that for me, and I can go ahead and check that off on my bills. And then let's see. The rest is for sinking funds and for my wallet. So birthdays and Penelope, I'm doing those in cash. I like to put a C next to the funds I'm doing in cash because you all know I use real cash and prop money. And sorry, I'm gonna take this off because that is driving me nuts. Okay. So when I'm done filming, what I do is I add up anything that is prop money, and then that is how much I deposit, I transfer over to Ally. So that's why I like to put a C for myself. There's no confusion, there's no thinking. So yeah, let's flip this over. I do have to get some change before I can stuff my wallet, so I'm gonna put that off to the side. And let's see. Let's start with Penelope, I guess. And then I could probably get some change to go back to my wallet. So Penelope is going to get $10. We're not doing a whole lot today. We never really do in a cash stuffing, but I do what I can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find 2 10s or 4 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. Put that over here and take a 20, and now I have change, and then I'm going to go ahead and add 10 of it back. Okay, so we're adding $10 to Penelope, so I'm going to go ahead and write that on my tracker here. Check that off, and I still have yet to make her vet appointment. I'm really slacking on it. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 252. We got there. Okay. I'm so excited to see this like getting big again and building up, but like I said, once she does go to the vet, that's all gonna be gone, which will be really sad. Okay, so that is done. Let's see, birthdays is also in here, right? Yes. And so we're gonna put 10 into birthdays, and I'm actually gonna need more change again because I need 10 for this and I need 10 for my wallet. So let's see what we got in here. You guys, okay. So I'm gonna do prop 10 and then 2 real 5s, and I'll tell you why in a second. I cannot multitask clearly. So that's the 20, and then we're putting $10 back in here. So I'm gonna actually grab the 2 5s back and add that on my tracker. Okay, so we should have 323, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 280, 90, 95, 300, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3. Perfect, 323. The reason I grabbed a prop 10 out of there, you guys know I like to keep my birthday fund in real cash, and 10 of the dollars, $10 of the money that I pulled out of the ATM is going towards savings challenges. Again, I can only pull increments of 20 out of the ATM, so I had to pull 10 extra over just what I needed. And so 10, you know, of that will go towards challenges, and so hopefully that made some kind of sense. All right, the rest here should be for the wallet other than the extra 10 for savings challenges. So this should be 150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, 5, 50. Look at that, you guys. Yay. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop this right in. I don't use cash envelopes anymore because I found if I wanted to spend money and I had money in another category in my wallet, I would just pull from that anyway. So I don't even bother with the envelopes. I just put it all in my wallet, and there you go. All right, the last thing we're gonna do is Prime. So let me put this binder away. This $10 I'm just gonna set aside here towards challenges. And we need $20 for Amazon Prime. So I need to grab my prop money box here. Do I have a 20 on top? Yes, I do. This money on top is just the money that doesn't fit in the box because right now all the money is in the box, meaning it's not in my savings account. I had to pull some out to make a payment on our cruise, and you all know the drill. These stickers just need to come off because they just don't stick anymore. All right, so for Amazon, we're just adding 20. And I am not starting this tracker yet. I'm gonna start it next month because next month we will reset with this, I think. And then we'll start this saving again for 2026. So 150, 70, 90, 210, 211, 12, 13, 14, 214, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20. So I'm only $6 away from like being fully funded for this year. So yeah, I think starting next month we will put 20 in, and that will be saving for 2026. So there we go. Perfect. Okay, my friends, that is it. The cash stuffing is always very, very short, but it's necessary. I need to stick to my budget, make sure I'm doing all the things that are necessary, because you guys know it would just be a mess around here if I didn't. So thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of the video. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're gonna have a great weekend. Look out for the savings challenge video coming next. I have 3 Temu hauls filmed that need to be edited, that will be posted, probably at least one of them going up next week. And that's it. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.